You will not spend money again buying candles ever again. The candle makers do not want you to find out about this, and they will be upset with me for telling. To begin with, we will take a regular-sized candle, and with the help of a knife, we will cut this. I would like to know from which country you are watching us to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Saul Santana from the United States. And in the same way, we will cut in this part. When you find out how wonderful it is to do this trick, you will thank me eternally. At this point, we will have 2 pieces of candle that are more or less the same size. Now we will take a plastic bottle and remove the lid, since we will use it next. With the help of a hot welder, we will make a hole in the center of the lid. This trick surprised everyone in my house, and when you do it at home, you will never stop using it. Once this is done, we take one of the pieces of candle that we had previously cut, and with the knife, we cut the edges until we get the wick out. Now we just have to transfer the lid on the candle in this way that I show you. We take a lighter and pass it on the lower edge so that the wax adheres to the lid. And it should look more or less like this. In the same way, we will use the lighter to melt the head of the candle that we had cut at the... This will seal the candle at the top. At this point, we will have sealed the candle both at the bottom and at the top. We reserve this candle since we will use it later. We take the other half of the candle that we had cut, and in the same way as the previous one, we use the knife to remove the tip. Pay close attention, since this step is very important. At this point, we will have both candles ready to be used. And now I will explain to you how this trick works. First, we must place both candles on a flat surface, and for this, we are going to melt a little the candle so that the wax leaves it fixed. Once this is done, we will take a little oil that you commonly use to cook and pour it into that has the lid. Next, we will light both candles and place a stopwatch next to it. I'm going to put the camera fast so I can save you time, and you don't have to see the hole. As time goes by on the stopwatch, you will notice how the candle that has the lid stays on and with same size, while the other one begins to melt quickly. As the minutes go by, you will notice that the candle to which we apply the trick has remained. The other one melted much faster. This trick is ideal for those people who live in a rural area, or for those who like to camp and to have night lighting for longer. If you made it this far and this information was useful to you, make this video reach someone who help you.